Hi, this is Chris of Wilson Wildlife Sculpture, and this is a installation of two great blue herons. Actually, one is a great white heron, and the other is a great blue heron. The one on the right was called River Watch, and the one on the left is called Bartram's Journey, named after my ancestor William Bartram, who was one of the first to describe the great blue heron in North America in the 18th century. So I've combined these pieces in an installation. In other videos, I've shown how I've made the painting progress, how I use acrylics. I also use some oils on the one on the right. But I'm going to turn it here in a second so you can see it from different angles. But I've shown different processes with this piece. It is designed. They were designed separate, however, I think they look good together, and this will be an installation on a huge mantle to fill a space requirement. So it's site-specific, and it is also a theme involved, looking over a marsh. So, I used grasses and bases covered with sand, the one on the left, and on the right I just painted. And they will come apart. Installations usually do come apart for transportation reasons. Actually, I've had both herons as my shotgun passenger in my seat, because in a minute here, as I will get close to them, you'll see that they're very big. They're life-size, and the legs are made of steel, and the bodies are each carved from wood. I did carve the head separate for grain support, and I made the plumes separate as well, but they're durable and they actually are a little flexible, as well as the grasses are as well. So here we go. I'll go ahead and show some different angles of it, and please let me know in your comments what you think. I appreciate you liking my videos and subscribing to my channel, and I appreciate your input as well, how I can improve my videos. And I really appreciate your support. So here we go. Don't think I can turn it too far, but in size relation, these are big birds, so this took a lot of time to make. As I turn, I might cut one of the heads off the birds. I have to be careful of it falling off this platform here, but I have a turntable here, and this is how I view my work in the round. So let me show you some details of the bird last, of both birds. And thanks for following my channel. You can see lots of videos on how I carve, what tools I use, also painting techniques, both with acrylics and oils, as well as I have videos on my website, Wilson Wildlife Sculpture, which you can purchase. And finally, my work is available for purchase, although these are not. Stay tuned to some close-ups here.